Yes.
Yes, sir.
There's a next. It's the first question. Then,
Yes, sir.
next paper.
Yes, sir. One second.
The equation above relates the number of minutes X Maria spends running each day and the number of minutes Y she spends biking each day. Are you doing any of these two activities daily for health purpose?
Oh, yes, I do skipping daily.
Skipping?
Yeah.
I think in states, health conscious is more.
Nothing like that, sir. They rely on supplements more.
Okay. It's very important so that our brain also works perfectly if you have physically fit.
Yes.
Sound mind in sound body. It's very, I need to start spare time for this. Yeah, Maria. Mary, I just like Mary. Yeah, Maria. X minutes for running. Sorry, running X minutes. And Y means for biking. Okay. Now, which day? In the equation, what does the 75 represent, right?
So is it option C?
Yes, option D. Some questions are very easiest questions. The number of minutes spent running each day is not correct. If it is the number of minutes spent running each day, the equation would have been like this: x is equal to 75. X is equal to something, not 75. Yeah, x is equal to 75. If the equation is x is equal to 75, then option A is correct.
Yes.
The number of minutes spent on biking each day. If B is if Y is equal to 75, then B is equal to correct. But the total number of minutes spent running and biking each day is 75. That's correct. The number of minutes spent biking for each minute spent running. Yeah, in multiple choice questions, it is better to read all the options, even if we get the correct option, even if we catch the correct option. Because in the rest of the options, maybe some more accurate answer. You are doing this type of questions very interestingly because you did one sum yesterday like this.
Yes.
Yeah, there are so many methods to solve these equations. Which order pair? Yeah. You can do one thing. You can replace x by 2y
It's
y minus 3. Or you can replace y by x plus 3.
yes.
You may do it on screen.
Yes, sir. So it's y minus 3 by 2 plus 2
Y
y
minus 3 by 2 plus 2y equals good. That's good. We can
So
multiply by 2 on both sides.
yes, sir. Yeah. So it's y minus 3 equals, sorry, plus 2y. Oh my gosh. Y minus 3 by 2 plus 2 equals 6. So y minus 3 plus 2y equals 12.
Plus 4y.
Oh,
Because its denominator is 1. Y minus 3 plus 4y. Keep on doing.
yeah.
Yes, go ahead.
Y minus 3 plus 4y equals 12.
Good.
3. Keep missing. Okay. Plus 5y equals 12. 5y equals 15. Y equals 3.
Y is equal to 3. You know, there is only one option having
Yes, sir.
y coordinate 3. That is
Yeah.
0,
The B.
Option B. Option B only correct.
Yes, sir.
See, you may do like this. X by 2 plus 2y. 2y means 2x minus 6
Yes, sir.
is equal to 6. Or x plus 4x minus 12 is equal to 12. Is it? X plus 4x. 2y. Y means y plus 3. Y plus 6. Y plus 6. 6 get cancelled. X plus 4x is equal to 0. 5x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0.
Yes.
So many methods. Okay. Anyhow, good. Option B is correct. Which of the following is equivalent to 3 times of x plus 5 minus 6? Just simplification. Do it.
3x plus
3x plus 15 minus 6. That's it.
minus 6.
Which means
3x plus 9. option C.
That's good. Which of the following complex numbers is equivalent to 5 plus 12i minus of 9i square minus 6i plus for I is equal to root of minus 1. Yeah, as we know this I is equal to root of minus 1. Now, do you remember that is
I square equals to
I square is equal to minus 1. Whenever we have I square, we can replace it by minus 1. That means in this place we can write minus 1. Then it becomes
14 plus 18i.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
5 plus 12i
Minus 9i square plus 6i.
minus of minus 9 minus 6i. Minus of
Yes.
is equal 5 plus 12i plus 9 plus 6i. Oh, very good. 14 plus 18i. Option D.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's very easy question, right?
So are you able to take off my writings from the screen?
We don't have.
Yeah, I'm unable to take it off.
Okay. You are using the laptop. Oh?
No, sir, I'm using the iPad itself, but after the update, so many things have changed.
Okay. Option is not there yet ready.
Yes, sir. It's not working actually.
Okay, no problem. See, just put minus 1 in the place of x. What happens? Minus 1.
Minus 6 minus of 1
plus 3.
plus 3 by negative 1.
Minus 1 minus 1, right? 1 plus 6 plus 3
by negative 2.
Yeah.
So it's
10 by negative.
Negative 5, sir. It's option A.
Yeah. Option A, negative 5.
Yes, sir.
Erase your writings.
I'm unable to do that, sir. Maybe it's because after so long, it's not going.
No problem. Now the following is equal to the expression above. X plus 3 whole square plus 5.
X plus 3 x square plus x.
Yeah, we need to verify all the options. Or we can do straightforwardly. We can do it by verification method. See, x square plus.
So it's option B.
Are you sure?
I
yeah, we are checking. If we verify option B,
it's x square plus 2 times 3 times x plus 3
x square plus 6x plus 9 minus 5. Got it?
Yes.
Is equal to x square plus 6x
plus 4.
Correct only. Or if we want to do is directly for the straightforward method, we can do like this. X square plus 6x. This is called completing the square method. This is called completing the square method. Here we know it is in the form of a square plus 2ab. It is the short of b square plus b square. B is nothing but half of x coefficient. X coefficient is 6, half of it is 3. 3 square 9. There is no 9. That's why we write and we add and subtract 9. We add 9 and subtract 9. So that it can be completed. This is equal to x plus 3 whole square
Oh,
Minus 9
minus
or
5.
minus 5. Direct, we got directly. That's good. Yeah, after having after finishing a few questions, all these questions, you will get a clarity about in which topics you need to practice more.
Yes, sir.
Camera equipment for $32,000. Sorry, $32,400. The equipment depreciates in value at a constant rate for 12 years. After which it is considered to have no monetary values. How much is the camera equipment worth 4 years after it purchased? See, the equipment depreciates in value. Generally, this kind of depreciation calculation is in vehicles, especially in cars. Yeah, in seconds car, they ask for which model is this, which model is that car. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
If it is 2017, 18, it depends upon its depreciation. They give less money. They give less money for old cars.
Yes.
There, in their discussion, their conversation, we can hear the word depreciation. Second sales, right there. See here, camera equipment is 32,400, right? The equipment depreciates its value in constant for 12 years. After which it is considered to have no money. That means zero. No money means zero. That means let it depreciate. Let its depreciate value be X dollar per year. X dollars per year. After 12 years, it's value, no money. That means 12x. 12x must be equal to 32,400. Its value depreciates year by year by year by year. Okay. Let the depreciation value be X dollars. Of 12 years means its depreciation value 12x must be 32,400. That's why 32,400 minus 32,400 will be zero.
Yes, sir.
Then what is X?
2,700.
Yeah, 2,700, right? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So for
its value depreciates every year. Its value depreciates by 2,700 as it told. That means after 1 year, its value is 32,400. After 1 year, its value 32,400 minus 2,700. 0,078 28,700.
yes.
After 1 year, its value will be 28,700. After 2 years, its value will be 28,700 minus 2,700. So we need to keep on doing like this to get its value after 4 years. Okay. In other way, we can do directly. That means 32,400 minus 4 years. 4 into 2,700. That is 2,700. Lakhs and crores are used there.
No, sir.
Millions, billions, only that many words are used. Okay, yeah, lakhs crores are used in British language, which follows here. Yeah, get its calculation.
So 4 times 2,700 is 10800.
Yes, right.
It's 10,800.
32,400
32,400 minus 10,000.
minus 10,800.
21,600.
Yeah. Which option?
Option C.
Very good. Ken is working this summer as a part of Q on a farm. He earned $8 per hour. His earning is $8 per hour. He is earning $8 per hour for the first 10 hours. That means in the course of in the period of first 10 hours, he earns $80.
Yes, sir.
Period of first 8 hours, sorry, 10 hours, he earns $80. Ken is male or female?
Ken is a male.
Male. Okay. Now, okay. Yeah, he is there. Yeah, he is there. Yeah. Because of his performance, his crew leaders raised his salary to $10 per hour. So then afterwards, he is getting $10 per hour for the rest of the week. Yes. Ken saves 90% of his earnings. He saves 90% of his earnings from each week. Okay. What is the least number of hours he must work the rest of the week to save at least $270? Which means 90% of his earnings must be equal to $270.
Yes, sir.
So let his earning be X dollars in the entire week. If his earning is X dollars, then 90% of it is X times 90 by 100. This must be equal to 270.
$20.
Yeah. Then what is the value of X? 0 get cancels.
Yes, 2 by
Times
10
9 by 10 will become 10 by 9.
equals, is it 300?
Yeah. What's its value?
300.
300. Yeah. He needs to earn $300 in the week so that he can save 90%, which is equal to $270. To save $270, he needs to earn $300. Right?
Yes.
$80 comes from the first 10 hours.
First and hours is $80.
That means he needs to earn the remaining $80 means $220.
Yes.
He needs to earn $220. Okay, in the rest of the year hours. See, he's paying $10 per hour. So to earn $220, how many hours he needs to work?
22.
Yeah, that's correct. In first 10 hours, he earns $80. In the then onwards, he is paying $10. So for 22 hours, 20 hours, he is getting 220 plus 80, 300. Out of $300, he saves 90% of it, 270. That's correct.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it visible? Question number 9 is visible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The question is lengthy. For this type of questions, yeah, we can read it, these questions. Yeah. Question paper setters tests our patience.
Yes.
Yeah, to test our patience, this kind of questions are given. Marasa. What's the common word? Most common name in states?
There's not a lot of white people in my classroom, but I think Evan or Catherine, actually. Catherine.
Yeah. In Telugu states, the most used name is Subbarao. Once upon a time, the name Subbarao is used widely, very widely. But in Rajahmundry area, Manikanta. Manikanta is most used name.
Yes.
See, Marcia needs to hire at least 10 staff members And nowadays, the most used name is Sai. If someone's name is not even at Sai, they tag Sai before or ending. Sai. That needs at least 10 staff members. See, at least means less than or equal to. At least means less than or equal to. Not more than means, yeah. Minimum 10 staff members are required. Generally, X and Y are used to denote the various things. X plus Y, at least means, sorry, at least means X plus Y must be greater than or equal to 10. So, which option has this statement?
Option B and C, sir.
Yeah, that's why option A is wrong, option D is wrong. Clear?
Yes.
Next thing. The staff members will be made up of junior doctors. Yeah, junior doctors be X. And senior doctors be Y. Who will be paid $880 per week. $880 per week. That means for juniors, each junior doctor earns 880x. Sorry. How many junior doctors are there? 640. For juniors, it is 640, seniors 880. That means each junior doctor earns 640x plus 880y. So they're earning, the budget for paying the staff members is to no more than. That means it must be under this amount, this budget, 9,700. Under
It's
means
less
less than or equal to 9,700, right?
Yes.
That's it. Sufficient.
So it's option B, sir.
Option B. Yeah, for confirmation, she must hire at least, Marisia is she, yeah, who must hire at least 3 junior doctors. That means X must be greater than or equal to 3. And at least 1 senior doctor, Y must be greater than or equal to 1. So the total statements are X plus Y greater than or equal to 10, 640X plus 880Y less than or equal to 9,700, and X greater than or equal to 3 and Y greater than or equal to 1. Okay, there are some sums which have less matter but more difficult, but here lengthy matter but easiest. Yeah, so we need to have much patience to handle this type of questions, to look at to have a look at these questions. Option B is correct only.
Yes.
Next. Yeah, it's very easy question, simple question. We need not do any calculation. We need not do any calculation to solve these sums. Yeah, let me tell you a few things about this type of factors and zeros. See, I'm telling you one thing. You know, x square plus 5x plus 6. Let us see what happens when we divide this polynomial by x plus 2. You know how to do this? X goes x times x is x square. 2 times x is 2x, right?
Yes, sir.
3x plus 6. X goes 3 times.
So plus 3, sir. Yeah.
So it's very clear that x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to x plus 2 into something. X plus 2 into something. We are not writing. We are not interested to write that. It's not necessary for us. But we should know. If x plus 2 is a factor of x square plus 5x plus 6, then this term is equal to x plus 2 into something, right?
Yes, sir.
Got it. Now let's have a look in a different way. X square plus 5x plus 6, right?
Yes, sir.
Plug in minus 2. and tell what happens.
Four. So it's 0.
Yes. If we plug in -2, we get 0. That means, see, this is called root 2. Getting 0 means root 2. So
Yes.
since we get 0 by plugging in -2, -2 is called one of its roots. One of the roots of x squared plus 5x plus 6 is -2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Since -2 is a root of it, x plus 2 is a factor of it. That's the point to be observed.
Yes, sir.
Since -2 is a root of that polynomial or expression, since -2 is a root of that expression, x plus 2 is one of its factors. Of course, it may have other factors. It may have other factors, right?
Yes, sir.
Here, for ax cube plus bx squared plus cx plus d is equal to 0 is an equation. Its roots are -1, -3, and 5 are its roots. So, what are the possible factors for this
Is
equation?
it option B, sir?
Yes, you are right. Very good. X plus 1 is a factor of it, and x plus 3 is a factor of it, and x minus 5 is also a factor of it.
Yes, sir.
Just they're testing our knowledge of factorization or factoring and roots. See, x plus 3 is not there. X minus 3. No problem. X
Yes.
plus 5 and x minus 3 is there to confuse, because some may think -3. Oh, C may be correct. To make us think like that, they gave these two options. Of course,
Yes.
x minus 1 is also there. So we must have clear knowledge about the change of its sign. It is minus, that is, it is negative, it is positive.
Yes, sir.
Beware of this point. Anyhow, option B is correct. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is algebra. Algebra 2 or heart of algebra, this type of questions.
So it's heart of no algebra 2, sir.
Algebra 2, yeah, very easy. The formula to be used here is
It is per m by 8 to the power n
8 to the power of m by 8 to the power of n.
equals 8 to the power m minus n.
X to the power of -2 by x to the power of 1 by 3 is equal
X to the power -2 minus 1 by
negative 2 negative 1 by 3 is equal to
negative 6. Oh, okay.
negative 7 by 3. What about y terms?
Y 1 by 2. Y to the power 1 by 2 plus 1.
3 by 2. Yeah. So totally its answer is x power -7 by 3. So since it has negative, it can be written in the denominator. So it is equal to y power 3 by 2 whole by x power 7 by 3. Yeah, as we know, y power 3 by 2 is nothing but, you know,
Oh, 2
y root y. Y root y. Got it? Yeah, it is equal to y root y. X power 7 by 3. Okay. Yeah, simple. We need not do all these calculations. Simple calculation as per the options. Bring this x power -2 to denominator so that it will see. X power -2 root y.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
By x power 1 by 3 means cube root x.
Yes, sir.
Y power minus 1.
1 by y.
This y power minus 1 will reach the numerator. This will reach the denominator. So y power minus 1 means 1 by y power minus 1 means y.
Yes, sir.
Y root whole by already cube root x is there.
Yes, sir.
It comes here. X square, x power minus 2 means x square. That's the answer.
Oh. So option D, sir. So option D.
Option B. Option B. No. D.
D.
Yeah. As I told you previously, positive x square shape is like this. Negative x square shape is like this.
Downwards.
Positive y square means
Right, sir.
right open.
Left side.
Clearly, it is positive x square. So its shape must be like this. Clear? Now,
Yes, sir.
this is x-axis. This is x-axis. Here, the graph of f in xy plane is a parabola, S. Which of the following intervals contain the x coordinate of the vertex? This is called vertex.
Yes, sir.
It is called, with name of this point is vertex. Yeah, this vertex contains in this interval. We need to get these 2 points. That's the question, right?
Yes, sir.
See, one thing. This graph 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. What are the coordinates of this point? Coordinates of this point are
0 and 0, sir.
0, 0, right? Coordinates of this point are
0, 1.
no.
Sorry, 1, 0.
Coordinates of this point are
2, 0.
coordinates of this point are 3, 0.
3,
What's the
0.
common fact? What's the common fact?
The range is always 0.
Y coordinates of all points are 0.
Yes.
That's why y coordinates of these 2 points are also 0. Something, 0 and something, 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Y coordinates of these 2 points are 0. That means coordinates of this point must be something, 0. These are something, 0. That means these are y coordinates. Agree?
Yes, sir.
These are y coordinates. That means to know to obtain these value, these points, what should we do is just put y is equal to 0. By putting y is equal to 0, we can get those 2 points. We can calculate those 2 points. So all that what we need to do is just put y is equal to 0. Plug in y is equal to 0 in the given equation. What happens?
So 0 plus 3.
Y is equal, yeah. The given equation is the given equation is 0 is equal x plus 3 times x plus 1.
Yes.
What does it mean? X is
Zero.
equal to 3 or
It's negative
minus
1.
1, negative 1, negative 3 or negative 1. Right. That means coordinates of this point are negative 3, 0 and a negative 1, 0. Got it? So
yes, sir.
vertex must be lie somewhere in those 2 points.
Yes, sir.
Right? Now, yeah, which option is correct?
Sir, but
Yeah.
we don't have an option.
Don't worry. See, for example, I am asking you what's the interval in which 9 contains? The question is what is the interval in which 9 contains? Okay, after doing some calculations we got the answer, that is 7 comma 15. By some calculations we got answer 9 must be in the interval 7 and 15.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that means we can write like this 9 15. It is our answer, but sometimes this may be not in the options. Yeah, options may be like this 9 comma 17 or sorry, so 7 not 9 got it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, options may be 7 comma 17 or 6 comma 20. Okay, one option is 7 comma 17, another option is 6 comma 20, another option is 10 comma 15, 10 comma 15.
Oh, in that case, is the answer B, sir? Because -3.
Not that. So you are telling for this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, -3 comma 1. Yeah, you are right. Very good. Because the number line is like this. If it is 0, it is -1. It is -2. It is -3. It is +1. Okay. We
Yes,
got the points here. Vertex is somewhere like here in this place. It is vertex somewhere. Okay. And no option is there saying -3 and -1. It is a correct answer. It's a minimum least answer, perfect answer. Okay, and it's equivalent. Its equivalent answer maybe it is -3 comma 1. Yeah, of course. In this, yeah, vertex also lies in this in the interval -1 comma 1. Got it?
yes, yes, sir.
-4 comma -3 is not correct. -4 is there. -4 must be there. -3 must be there. Vertex does not lie in this interval. And -3 comma 1 is correct. 1 comma 3, 1 comma 3 is there. 1 is there. 3 is there. In this interval, vertex is not there in that interval. Of course, even in the interval 3 comma 4, vertex is not there. So by observation, by observation, we can say option B is correct. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Let me tell you how to find its vertex correctly. Actually, vertex is not asked in this question. Interval of vertex is asked, but we can find its vertex also. To find vertex accurately, correct vertex, we need some basic concepts that are called derivative. Derivative of, that means the symbol of derivative is d by dx. X to the power of n is equal n into x to the power of n minus 1. Please tell what is derivative of x power 10?
Oh, nx.
10 into 10x.
Yes, sir. Got
What is derivative of 6x? Sorry, x. X means x to the power of 1. Using
yes,
same,
sir. So 1x.
1 into 1 x power.
X power 0.
Yeah, x per 0 value.
1, sir.
That's good. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. So derivative of x is, you must know this because somewhere not any and at multiple ways where you need to know how to find derivative. Tell what is derivative of x? 1.
1, sir.
What's derivative of 2x? 2.
2. Oh, okay.
Derivative of 3x? 3. Derivative of 4x? 4. And the derivative of 1, what's the value of derivative of 1? 1 means x. We need derivative of.
Is it 0?
Yes, 0. How do you know?
Because I don't know, sir. I just got it.
Yeah. 1 means x per 0.
Yes, sir.
Using the same principle, it is 0 times x per something.
X per
It's
something.
not interested to find its value. But 0 into any defined value 0.
Yes.
So derivative of 1 is
0, sir.
0. Derivative of 4x is
4.
Derivative of x square is
2.
2.
No.
2, not 2x. X square. Using this principle, 2 into
It's
x to the power of 1.
2 into x. Yes, sir. Got it.
2x, right.
Got it.
The given function is y multiplying y is equal to x times x is x square
X square.
plus 1x plus 3x. Total is 4x plus 3 ones are 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Find its derivative. To find vertex completely, its derivative must be equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
What
So
happens
it's,
then? 2x
yeah, 2x.
plus 4.
Oh.
4x. X derivative 1. Derivative
Oh, yes, sir. Got it.
plus 4. Derivative of 1 is 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So derivative of any number is 0.
Oh, then it's 0. Sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We must equate its derivative to 0. What's the value of x?
-2.
X is equal to -2, right? So
Yes, sir.
the vertex lies exactly at x equal to -2. And if x is equal to -2, what is y? Y?
0, sir.
No. X is equal to -2. -2 plus 3, that is 1. -2 plus 1 minus 1 is equal to -1. Yeah, we are putting.
Oh.
So the vertex is -2 comma -1, right?
Yes, sir.
See, it is 0, it is -1, it is -2, it is -3. This is y-axis. Okay. It is -1, right? See, where is vertex? Vertex is -2 comma -1. That means it is the vertex. It is the parabola.
Yes, sir.
So vertex is, coordinates of vertex are
-2,
comma -1. Got it? So this is
Yes,
the
sir.
process. This is the process to find vertex.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
Which of the following expression is equivalent to x square minus 2x minus 5 by x minus 3? Just division.
Yes, sir.
Josna, how are you preparing? ఎలా ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యామో
బాగానే ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యాను సార్.
3 points 4 points సి ఆ మోడల్ చేసావా?
ఎస్ సార్.
కామన్ టాంజెంట్స్, డైరెక్ట్ కామన్ టాంజెంట్స్, ట్రాన్స్వర్స్ కామన్ టాంజెంట్స్
చేయలేదు సార్.
Sir,
ఓకే.
is it? Sir, I got x plus 5, but then it's showing x minus 5 for both the options.
Which option?
No, sir, I just got x plus 5 as the quotient.
Quotient. X plus 5 or x minus 5?
X plus 5, sir, for some reason. I don't know.
Are you sure?
I think so, sir. I'm not
Oscar,
sure.
can you answer this question?
X negative 5.
X square minus 2x
Oh, 1.
dividing by x minus 3 x times
Yes.
x square minus 3x subtracting minus positive x minus 5. Got it?
Wait, I made a mistake. Yes, sir.
X goes one time. X minus 3 subtracting minus 2.
Negative 8.
So the quotient is x plus 1.
Yes, sir.
Remainder is minus 2. By denominator.
X minus 3.
So which option is that?
Option D, sir.
Option
D, sir.
D, right. Yesterday exam rasama. Josna, how did you write yesterday's exam?
బాగానే రాశాను సార్.
Very good. The expression 1/3 x square minus 2 can be rewritten. Yeah, Josna, soon after completing our exams, do you remember clearly? Listening?
ఎస్ సార్.
Tandrika and Jos and all of you will have common class. That is the additional class for Tandrika. Explaining
Yes.
parabola. Just now I have explained some concept in parabola to her. Yeah, this is parabola. So Tandrika, we will have complete course on parabola along with these students as extra class. Yeah, don't miss classes in holidays. Okay.
Yes.
ఓకే
Yes,
సార్.
ఇంటి దగ్గర ఉంటావా ఊరు వెళ్తున్నావా
ఎవరు సార్?
నువ్వు హాలిడేస్ లో?
లేదు సార్, నేను ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళను సార్.
గుడ్. కాదు, మనకేంటి ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళినా పర్లేదు, ఫోన్ ఉంటుంది కదా, ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళినా అక్కడ ఫోన్ ఉంటుంది కదమ్మా.
లేదు సార్, నేను మామూలుగా కూడా ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళను సార్.
కానీ వెళ్ళాలి కదమ్మా.
ఓన్లీ సంక్రాంతికే వెళ్తాను సార్.
అవునా? సి సింప్లిఫై దిస్.
Is it?
What does it mean? 1/3
It's 1/3
a minus b into a plus b.
minus k square.
X square minus k square. Very good. Multiplying by 1/3, it gets 1/3 x square
By 3 minus
minus
k
1/3
square.
k square. Okay, we need to compare this. What
You can
happens?
just come. Yeah. So
What
is it root? Sir?
See, 1/3 x square is equal to 1/3 x square. Both are equal. Both are same. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Next point is
Negative 1/3.
negative 1/3 x square. Negative 1/3 k square. K square must be equal to negative 2. Negative negative cancel. K square must be equal to 6.
Yes, sir.
Then what is k?
6. K equals root 6.
K is equal to?
Option D, sir. Root 6.
Very good. Option D. A shipping service restricts the dimensions of the boxes it will shift for a certain type of service. The restriction states that for boxes shaped like rectangular prisms, the sum of the perimeter of the base of the box and the height of the box cannot exceed 130 inches. The perimeter of the base is determined by using the width. జోస్నా నువ్వు దగ్గర ఉంచుకో మళ్ళీ 2023 మ్యాథ్స్ పేపర్ ఒకసారి చేద్దాం. మనం 2 మార్క్స్ ఏమేం చేసాం? 23 చేసాం కదా జోస్నా?
Yes, sir.
22, 21, 20 అంతవరకు చేసింటాము.
3 years చేస్తుంటాం సార్ అది. 20, 21, 22.
ఒక పేపర్ రెడీగా ఉంచు.
Okay, sir.
The sum of the perimeter of the base of the box and the height of the box cannot exceed 130 inches. The perimeter of the base is determined using the width and the length of the box. If the box has height of 60 inches and its length is 2.5 times the width, 2.5 times the width. Okay, length. Which inequality shows the allowable width x in inches of the box. A shipping, yeah, that must be in rectangular prisms. Rectangular prisms is these are called rectangular prisms. This is length, width, height. Height of the box cannot exceed 130. So it must be less than or equal to 130. And the perimeter of the base is determined by using the width and the length. Okay. If the box height 60 inches. Yeah. A box has height 60 inches. This is 60. The sum of the perimeter, see the sum of the perimeter of the base of the box and height. What is perimeter formula? 2 into L plus B. We can use B. 2 into
Yes.
L plus B. Okay. 2 into L plus B, sum and height. That means 2 into L plus B plus H.
Yes.
Cannot exceed 130 inches. It is not height. Sum must be less than or equal to 130. Clear?
Yes.
Sum of the
Yes.
perimeter and height must be less than or equal to 130. Right. H is 30 degrees. Sorry, 30 inches. Okay. So
Yes.
2 into L plus B
So isn't it 60?
less than or equal to 100. Plus 30 will become minus 30.
So isn't it 60?
Yeah. We'll write 60. Yeah. See first.
No, in the equation, sir.
Sorry.
Okay.
60. Got it. So it must be 70.
Yes.
That means L plus B less than or equal to 35.
Yes.
Got it? Now, what's the hint here? If a box has height 60 inches, of course, and its length is 2.5 times the width. Let the width be x.
Yes.
Length plus x, L plus x less than or equal to 35. The given point is length is 2.5 times. That means L must be equal to 2.5x.
Yes, sir.
That means
So
2.5x plus x less than or equal to 35. Yeah, you do. Josman ఒకటి చేయమ్మా, చేసి ఆప్షన్ చెప్పు. Josna? 2.5 plus x.
is it 10?
Yeah, not 10, 3.5.
I told you the x values.
Yeah, option. You're telling option.
I was telling you the x option. I'm sorry, the x value.
Josna, are you there?
Yes, sir.
It's 3.5x equal.
Less than or equal to 35. Got it?
Yes.
Then x must be less than or equal to
10, sir.
X must be less. Yeah, 10. Yeah, very clear. 35 by 3.5. Answer is 10.
10, sir.
Option?
Option A, sir.
That's good. You don't have holidays like Dasara holidays there?
No, sir. But we will have it from November, sir. Next holidays are in November.
Yeah.
From 19 to 27 or something. And then we'll have it again on Christmas.
Yeah. You know, Josna, they have holiday. Today is holiday for Tarilika.
Today? No, sir.
Yesterday.
No.
You told that's Columbus Day.
On Monday, sir. Today
On
is
Monday.
Friday. So it's
Friday.
Monday.
Today is not Friday for you?
Today is Friday for us.
Yeah, it is holiday for you?
No, sir. I've been to school and I came here. Tomorrow and Sunday is a holiday.
Every week, 2 days holidays?
Yes.
Okay, okay. How about Josna? Today, when did you have Columbus Day?
Monday, sir. Monday
Monday,
is.
Columbus Day.
Yes, sir. Monday is.
Previous Monday.
This week, Monday. That's
Columbus Day. Just like Indians have Independence Day, you have Columbus Day.
no, sir. Columbus Day.
Why that sound, Tandrika? She is saying.
Oh, sir. Sir just tried some experiment and it just backfired with the
PowerPoint.
sound.
To make you alert. Right. Okay. Yeah, let's do. See, continue listening. Josna, please tell what's the next. What do you have paper right with you?
Yes, sir.
Which paper? Which year?
March 2023, sir.
March 2023. Tell.
Two marks, sir.
Yeah.
Find the value of A.
Yeah. Find the value of.
A